English Conversation Journal. Hosts, Sara and Mr. Turbo. Style, Easy English for Beginners Introduction. Sara, hello everyone, welcome to English Conversation Journal. I'm Sara. Today you'll meet Mr. Turbo and me in some fun daily situations.
Mr. Turbo, that's right. We're a couple who will help you learn English through our everyday life. You'll see real conversations and simple situations that happen every day.
These dialogues are perfect for beginners, easy to understand, and very useful. So, are you ready to learn with us? Let's begin.
Episode 1. Mr. Turbo loses his keys again. Mr. Turbo, Sara, I can't find my keys again. Where did you put them?
I don't know.
I'm late.
Check your jacket pockets.
Nothing there.
What about the table?
Not there either.
Go check the bathroom.
The bathroom? Why there?
You always leave them there.
Oh, you're right. Found them in the bathroom.
See? I know you too well.
I'm so bad with keys.
Maybe wear them around your neck.
Very funny, Sara.
Episode 2. Mr. Turbo forgets the milk. Sara, Mr. Turbo, did you go shopping?
Mr. Turbo, yes, I bought everything.
Great. Where's the milk?
The milk. Oh no.
No. You forgot it again.
I'm sorry I forgot. But was it on the list?
I know. We need it for breakfast.
I can go back now.
The store is closed now.
Tomorrow morning then.
Fine. We'll use water for coffee.
Water and coffee? Gross.
It's your fault.
You're right. I'm sorry.
Sara and Mr. Turbo lose each other. Sara, Mr. Turbo, where are you?
Mr. Turbo, I'm here in the bread aisle.
Where? I can't see you.
Near the milk section.
There's no milk section here. Are you in the right store?
What? Of course I am. What store are you in?
Supermart. Where are you?
I'm in Mega Store.
Oh no. We went to different stores.
How did that happen?
You said the usual store.
I meant Mega Store.
I thought you meant Supermart. This is so confusing.
Just come to Mega Store now, okay?
Okay, I'm coming.
And bring the shopping list.
I thought you had it.
Conclusion.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content. More adventures of Sara and Mr. Turbo are coming soon.
Sara, see you next time. Goodbye.
Mr. Turbo, goodbye.